So, it's the new year. It's also a 9-year. A 9-year is about really beginning to take a look at yourself and beginning to step through those things that have kept you stuck. I drew a card for today's reading, and the card that we have is the Strength card. It's about your ability to let go of the mask that you've been carrying in your life for the last year or maybe even longer. And now you're going to start being more transparent. You're going to be more vulnerable in this year, but by doing so, you will become stronger and stronger. And this is the courage of the lion. But the lion has many tendencies sometimes. Sometimes the lion wants to devour. The lion wants to stalk. The lion loses sight of the power and the strength that it has. But with this New Year day, I want you to step into who you truly are, is to bring order out of chaos. There's been chaos going on, but now with 2025, it's going to begin to bring us order and direction and accomplishment and success. It's setting you up this year for you to be able to let go of anything that's standing in your way. Now, if you're listening to this reading, this group reading right now, this is completely meant for you because you are getting ready to step into a new way of being. You're tired of believing and listening to things that maybe don't serve you, but it's time to step through what we call the veil, or to step through or break up the wall and get real with yourself. Stop making excuses about why you can't move forward and why you can't be successful. Honestly, 2025 is all about those that are victims are going to let go. You're going to release that victimism. You're going to step into your strength. You're going to power up your intuition, your connection, your values, and who you believe you are. And if you step into that with 100%, I guarantee you that this year will bring you success. It will bring you joy. It will bring you happiness. And most of all, it will bring you you. Because it's time for you to be you. Drop the mask and be the powerful and strong person that you are. Happy New Year.